If you know 7 of these 15 words in Spanish, then your Spanish is better than 90% of learners. And stick around to the end because I can guarantee that you will not know the last one. Number 1, embarazoso. What does embarazoso mean? I'll give you a second. Feel free to pause the video. Embarazoso means embarrassing. Que embarazoso. Now, you may have heard online and have been taught that this word means pregnant. However, when we say embarazoso, that means embarrassing. Que embarazoso. However, the word for pregnant would be embarazada. They are very similar. A synonym with embarazoso would be avergonzoso. Que vergüenza. Avergonzoso. Okay, but embarazoso means embarrassing. Que embarazoso. Number 2, actualmente. Actualmente. I'll give you a second. Feel free to pause the video. Okay, actualmente means currently. This is a false friend in Spanish. Okay, so it's not actually, it is currently. Actualmente estoy grabando un video. I am currently recording a video. If you want to say actually in Spanish, you can say something like de hecho. De hecho meaning actually or in fact. De hecho, a mí me gustan las hamburguesas. Actually, I like hamburgers. In fact, I like hamburgers. Let's move on. Okay, number 3. Ojalá. Ojalá. Take a second. Ojalá means hopefully. Now, ojalá can take on many different translations into English. You can think of ojalá as hopefully, I hope so, I wish. You can also translate this into God willing. Fun fact, ojalá actually comes from Arabic. You know the Arabic word Allah, meaning God? Well, there you go. Ojalá. This is coming from Arabic. There are actually many words in Spanish that come from Arabic. Words like almohada, meaning pillow, or the word azúcar, meaning sugar. All of those words come from Arabic. Number 4, apenas. Apenas. Okay, take your time. Okay, apenas means barely. Barely. Okay, so apenas te oigo. Apenas te oigo. I barely hear you. Apenas te oigo. You can also say something like apenas vi el capítulo anoche. I just barely watched the episode last night. That's another way that you can use the word apenas in Spanish. Número 5. Realizar. Realizar. Okay? Take a moment. Feel free to pause the video. The word realizar in Spanish does not mean to realize, or rather to realize something. No, realizar means to carry something out. It can also mean to do, or it can also mean to achieve, okay? Realicé mis sueños cuando me casé contigo. My dreams came true, or I achieved my dreams when I married you. Realizar does not mean to realize. If you want to say to realize something, you would use the phrase darse cuenta de. Darse cuenta de, to realize something. Me di cuenta de que él me estaba mintiendo. I realized he was lying to me. Okay, but here, realizar will be used as to carry out, to perform, to do, or to achieve. Número 6. Ni siquiera. Ni siquiera. This is a tricky one. Okay, pause or take your time. Okay, ni siquiera means not even. Okay, not even. Okay, for example, ni siquiera me llamaste ayer. Ni siquiera me llamaste ayer. Okay, ni siquiera me llamaste ayer would translate roughly to English as you didn't even call me yesterday. Ni siquiera me llamaste ayer. You could also just say something like ni siquiera eso. Ni siquiera eso. Not even that. Okay? Ni siquiera eso. Okay, let's move on. Number 7, equivocarse. Ooh, this is a big word. Equivocarse. Okay, feel free to pause the video, take your time. Okay, equivocarse means to be incorrect or to make a mistake. Okay, me equivoqué. Es ahí, for example. Oh, wait, you know what? I'm wrong, or I made a mistake. It's over there, okay? Equivocarse, to be wrong, to make a mistake. No, tú estás equivocado. No es así. You're wrong. You are incorrect. It's not like that, okay? Ay, lo siento mucho, me equivoqué. I'm so sorry, I was wrong, or I made a mistake. If you want to literally say that you made a mistake, you could say something like, cometí un error. I made a mistake. Number 8, así. Así. Okay, small but powerful word. Okay, take a moment. Así means like this or like that. Okay, so escríbelo así. Write it like this. Or based off of the context, that could mean like that. For example, if I was saying, escríbelo así. For example, escríbelo así. Write it like that. Or excuse me, like this, okay? Escríbelo así, mira. Write it like this. But now, let's say I'm pointing to something and I'm trying to give an example. I could say, escríbelo así. Write it like that, okay? All right, así, like this or like that. You may have also heard the phrase, así que. Así que simply means so. Así que. Number 9, echar de menos. Tricky one. Echar de menos. Echar de menos means to miss. You can think of this as the verb extrañar. Extrañar meaning to miss something or someone. Same thing here with echar de menos. There's a famous song by José José, and he says, me vas a echar de menos. Okay? You are going to miss me. Okay? I could also say, I am going to miss you. Te voy a echar de menos. Te voy a echar de menos. I am going to miss you. Number 10, ni modo. Ni modo. I love this one. Okay? Take a moment. Ni modo means oh well. Oh well. It's very common here in Mexico. Ni modo. Okay? This can also be translated roughly as bummer or too bad. But you can just think of it as oh well. Se me olvidó traer el pastel. Ni modo. I forgot to bring the cake. Oh well. Oye, ¿no trajiste esa cosa? No. Se me olvidó. Ni modo. Hey, did you bring that thing? I forgot. Oh well. Ni modo. Oh well, too bad. Bummer. Ni modo. Number 11. Aprovechar. Aprovechar. Okay? Take a moment. Okay? Aprovechar means to take advantage. This could be to take advantage of something or someone. Oye, hay una oferta en esa tienda. Hay que aprovechar. Hey, there's a sale in that store. Let's take advantage of it. Okay? Hay que aprovechar. There's a really good song I like by the group Grupo Límite. It's a Mexican group. And they say, te aprovechas, okay? She's saying, you take advantage. Te aprovechas de mí. You take advantage of me, okay? Aprovechar, to take advantage of something or someone. Número 12, tener ganas de. Tener ganas de, okay? Take a moment, okay? Tener ganas de means to feel like something, okay? Tengo ganas de un helado, okay? I feel like having an ice cream, okay? I want to have an ice cream. Tengo ganas de un helado, okay? Mexicans use this all the time, especially when talking about antojos, things that they crave, right? Ay, se me antoja un helado. Tengo ganas de un helado. Tengo ganas de una pizza, for example. You can also use tener ganas de when talking about a person. If you're talking to a romantic partner, you could say, tengo ganas de ti, like I want you in a kind of romantic sense, okay? Tener ganas de, to want something or to desire something. Number 13, ya. ya. Okay? Take a moment. Now, the word ya can mean many different things in English. Ya could mean now. It could mean already. It could mean knock it off. Okay? Ya has many different translations. For example, ya te dije. I already told you. Ya te dije. Or I could say something just like, ya, por favor, ya, güey, ya no, ya, por favor, ya, okay? Ya, it means enough, stop, already. Like, it's enough, knock it off, stop, okay? Ya, por favor, ya, stop, enough, okay? Ya, okay? Typically, ya will translate into already in English, okay? Ya. Ya vámonos, yeah, let's go now, let's leave already, okay? Número 14, aún, okay, tricky one, aún. Aún in Spanish, without an accent over it, means even, okay? Even. ¿Aún me estás escuchando? ¿Aún me estás escuchando? Are you even listening to me? ¿Aún me estás escuchando? Now, aguas, careful. Aún can also be written with an accent. What's the difference? Well, in writing, the only difference there is the accent. But when we go to speak, aún with an accent is pronounced aún, and without an accent is pronounced aún. They're pronounced exactly the same. That is why context is so important in Spanish. Because aún with an accent here would mean still. Just like the word todavía, still, aún with that accent will mean still, okay? Aún te amo. I still love you. Aún te amo, okay? There's a song I like and it's called Aún no me conoces. You still don't know me. Aún, okay? So aún with an accent, still. Aún without an accent, even. Número 15. A lo mejor. A lo mejor. And don't leave yet, because there is a bonus word after this that I can guarantee you will not know what it means. A lo mejor means perhaps or maybe, okay? You could also use the phrase tal vez, meaning maybe, or the phrase quizás, meaning perhaps, but a lo mejor is a great way to say maybe or perhaps. A lo mejor ya se fue. A lo mejor ya se fue. Maybe she already left, or maybe he already left. We don't know. A lo mejor él ya se fue. A lo mejor no tiene internet. Maybe she doesn't have internet. A lo mejor no tiene internet. Okay? Now, let's move on to the final boss word. And for our final boss word, do you know what this means in Spanish? Parangaricutirimícuaro. Parangaricutirimícuaro. Okay? Parangaricutirimícuaro does not necessarily mean anything in Spanish. In fact, this is actually just the name of a town in Mexico. It's a small town. But the name of the town became a tongue twister, un trabalenguas. So I thought it would be fun for you just to practice saying it, okay? But it doesn't really mean anything. It's just the name of a town in Mexico. Can you say it? Let's say it together real slow. We have Parangaricutirimícuaro. Okay? Parangaricutirimícuaro. Parangaricutirimícuaro. Bueno, there you have it. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you'd like to learn more Spanish than me, click the link in the description to join my Fluent Spanish Speaker Academy. We have more than 200 members and it is seriously awesome. Muchas gracias y que tengas buen día. Hasta luego.